Okay, so now we're going to add a phone number. So this is the receptionist that we've just created. And then, so I'm back in the portal under agents. So this is my agent. And then I'm going to go down here to phone numbers. Now I already have a phone number as we saw before, but I'm going to add a phone number and then I'm going to type in and see if there are some available numbers. And yes, there are. So I'm going to grab a number and I'm going to put it on that agent and connect. Just like that. So when you come into here, it drops you back and then you can assign or unassign. So I've assigned it to my new agent, which is version 2. I'm going to assign. That's straightforward. Okay, so let's test to see if she works. So this is the number of my agent. I have my business line on Teams. So I come to Teams and then I'm going to look at settings and then I go into call handling and forwarding. Manage call handling and forwarding, forward all calls on, forward to a new number of contact. It can either be voicemail. And that's what I did have it set to. Now I've got an agent, so I'm going to forward it to a new number of contact. And then I'm going to make sure that that's my agent phone number. And that's it. So once that's done, I can come in here and call. Now that's me calling from my cell phone. And there's my work number, and this is the number it's forwarding to. So I'm going to, as I'm already in Teams here, I can't call my own number. I'm going to just call my agent and see how she sounds.
Please hold while we connect you to an agent.
Hey there, thanks for checking out 365 Agents website. How can I help you?
Hi, I'm looking for some pricing information.
Absolutely. Smart question. Most people ask about features first, but the math is usually the real conversation. Our first agent is $199 a month. Each additional agent is $29 a month. And minutes start with packages at 500 minutes for 25 cents a minute, with the rate dropping as volume goes up. If you've got a busy phone line, the savings get pretty obvious fast. What kind of business are you running?
I'd like to actually just connect with sales. Can I book a meeting with somebody?
One moment, I'll check that for you. Absolutely, we can get that set up. What's the best email address for the calendar invite?
My email is cwer@365agents.com.
One moment. I want to make sure I got that right. You said cwer@365agents.com, correct?
That's correct.
Perfect. You're booked. I've got the meeting on the calendar for queer@365agents.com. Check your inbox for the invite. You just booked time with us while we were talking. 5 Agents works for your callers 24/7.
I didn't ask for a specific time. Oh, and there we go. So, okay, thank you. So clearly I needed to add something to my agent, but you can see it automatically booked a sales meeting for this visitor. So you can see that's in my email. And if I go to my email, it went straight to my calendar anyway. So that's pretty good. Okay, so clearly I need to do some work on my agent to get the time in the calendar, but you understand the concept there. And then we can see the calls that came in. You go unknown sales inquiry. Let me just dismiss that. And you can see the details. You can see how long it went for. And you can see the transcript. So just like that, that was us creating an agent. She works and she's good to go. So then I can go back in and work on asks for a specific time, obviously. But that's as easy as we can possibly make it to connect your phone numbers and have your agent up and running in just a few moments.